Welcome back to Wake Up with Cheddar. I'm Hana Ostapchuk. Now, the jury of 7 people have decided on the defamation case brought by Johnny Depp against his ex-wife, Amber Heard. Now, Depp originally sued Heard for $50 million after her piece in the Washington Post, and the jury awarded Depp with $15 million in damages. The jury also awarded Heard $2 million in damages. So joining us now for a closer look at the verdict is Domenic Romano, corporate and entertainment lawyer. So thank you so much for joining us this morning, Domenic. What were your initial thoughts on the verdict?
Wow. Shock.
Right.
It's a tremendous legal win for Johnny Depp's legal team. But I think for Johnny Depp himself, this whole trial is a Pyrrhic victory.
And you were saying that this is the case that people have looked at most since O.J.
Yeah, I think this is the biggest celebrity trial since the O.J. Simpson criminal trial of the mid-90s. And of course, what do people remember about not necessarily that Simpson was exonerated, but all of the facts,
Right.
all of the horrible facts that came out. And I think similarly here, Depp brought this about, the two parties brought this about themselves, really. But Depp initiated this trial, and so much dirty laundry came out about both of them,
Right.
also about Depp. I don't think that in the longer term, this is a real victory. I think both parties are the biggest losers in the case.
So knowing that, what do you make of Johnny Depp's legal team here?
They were excellent. They had quite a mountain to climb. They had to show that the statements were not truthful, that all of her statements were not truthful. Because remember, even if one of those statements were true that she made against him, the ultimate defense to a defamation action is truth. So that they were not true, that he suffered economic harm, and that she made the statements with malice, which is what you have to prove if you're bringing a defamation case against a public figure, as opposed to a normal individual.
Right, and we know that Heard's defense was hampered by issues with credibility. So how do you see this impacting her career going forward?
You know, I think in the long term, she will be all right. I think there's enough of support. I think at the end of the day, no one that was in the Heard camp is going to change their mind because of the jury's verdict, and vice versa.